you have lunch?
I have to lunch at 12:30.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
What time do you go to home? Why do you learn English?
I learning English because it's interesting. Because they're very kind.
Do you dance?
Yes, I can.
Do you cook?
No, I cannot.
Enjoy their childhood. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతూ సులభమా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతూ సులభమా అందరూ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు తెలుగులో స్పీక్ అండర్స్టాండ్ రీడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Your Excellencies, honored to have the opportunity. Next video.
Why do you want to become a doctor? What made you think about becoming a doctor? ఇంట్లో చెప్పారని you wanted to become a doctor or interest? Or you just meant you wanted to be a doctor? కంగారు పడదు you just meant together? No, what? మాట్లాడాలి all this. Hit him up. I don't believe that. I have a 9-year-old boy who's in 4th class. I don't believe that any lab no devices. Computer lab, any doses are very good. Even though computer lab for sure. Okay, all the best. Bye. All the best. There's nothing as a right or wrong answer.
Missiles of range 300 meters to 9 kilometers. Speed 686 meters per second.
The lantern అనేది this is the lantern. Lantern అంటే ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. ఇది మనం కొనుక్కుందా లేదా ఇది సిఎస్ఆర్ కింద వచ్చింది?
चलो 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 आगे चलो चलो चलो